Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kohlrabi, and I have some quick cooking tips and ideas for you for using kohlrabi. So if you're looking for some new recipe ideas and just looking for some tips on using this vegetable, hopefully this will help you out. First of all, kohlrabi can be enjoyed raw, steamed, fried, glazed, boiled, baked, stuffed, grilled, and even roasted. So how you use this vegetable is really up to your imagination only. Any way you cook it, it's perfectly fine. Try sauteed kohlrabi greens or leaves with a little bit of garlic, and then top it with just a drizzle of lemon juice and a sprinkling of Parmesan cheese. When you're preparing kohlrabi, be sure to remove that outer skin on there. It's on the tough side and you don't want to eat that. So you want to peel that away, and then you've got the inner core that you can cut up any way you like and cook it any way you need to. As I mentioned earlier, you could cook the leaves of kohlrabi, and you can cook them any way that you might prepare kale or spinach. Or you could even mix them with kale or spinach, and they would be perfectly fine that way. Kohlrabi can be added to soups, stews, and curries. Add kohlrabi to your favorite stir fry with other vegetables, and then serve it over a bed of rice for an easy meal. Kohlrabi can even be cooked and then added to mashed potatoes. Why not add some shredded kohlrabi to your favorite coleslaw? You can even add some thinly sliced or shaved kohlrabi to sandwiches and wraps. When you're roasting kohlrabi, cook it until it's fork tender, but when you're sauteing it or steaming kohlrabi, cook it just until it's just barely a crisp tender. Try adding some kohlrabi to creamy potato or broccoli soup. If a recipe calls for rutabagas and you don't have any or don't have enough, you could substitute in or add kohlrabi instead. Why not enjoy some slices of raw kohlrabi with your favorite hummus or dip? Why not try stuffed kohlrabi? All you need to do is peel the bulb first, always peel it, and then you can hollow out the core and make a bowl out of it, and then stuff it with whatever you want, any mixture of vegetable, grains, proteins that you want to add in there, and then bake it until it's fork tender, and then enjoy. For your information, 4 medium kohlrabi bulbs weighs around 2 pounds, and that yields about 3½ cups cubed and cooked. If a recipe calls for kohlrabi greens and you just don't have any, you could follow that same recipe and substitute them with turnip greens, collard greens, mature spinach, bok choy, mustard greens, or kale. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Bye for now.